Hey guys and girls, welcome from explorer.com. In this video I'm going to discuss about Java. First of all, this is our agenda. We start off with the introduction and let us go on with access modifiers, operators, flow control, arrays and strings, oops, concepts, exceptions, garbage corrections and threads, and finally we end up with a small demo. So what is Java? Java is basically a programming language in which we will be developing applets, standalone applications, web application and enterprise applications. So examples for this are applets was an old concept, and so nowadays we won't use applets, and standalone applications are the one which where in companies they use all this standalone applications, and web applications in the sense you'll be visiting very famous websites like way2sms.com and all. So such type of websites are coded in this Java language, that is JSP, Java Server Pages. And enterprise applications, you might be visiting the bank websites in order to transaction processing and all. For this transaction and all are handled, they are nothing but enterprise applications which we develop in Java. And so it is platform independent. So what this mean? So whenever you write your Java program and compile that, it is going to be executed on any other machine irrespective of operating system. So whatever that operating system it is my program will run. So I don't have to, like in C, I don't have to install a different software for every operating system. I don't need that. So that's why it's platform independent. And next is object oriented. So many of many of us think that Java is object oriented, in the sense whatever we write Java program it is object oriented. No, it's not. It is Java is object oriented unless you code it that way. So you have to code it. There are some rules in Java for making your program as object oriented. If you code like that, then it is going to be object oriented. So why this object oriented are used? Because whenever you create your objects, it is very useful for code reuse. Okay, and compiled and interpreted. So your Java file, whenever you write your Java file, it is compiled to .class file, and the .class file interpreted to machine code. So that's why any other machines are able to access your code. Okay, in any machines you are able to run this code. That is only because it is compiled and interpreted. And then coming about the Java virtual machine. Suppose I wrote my program, that is .java explore_all.java file, and I'll then compile my Java file, and that is going to be given, and after that you'll get a .class file, that is explore_all.class file. Okay, the Java compiler takes care of it, just passes my Java program, and if there are any mistakes it will just shows to me, and I'll be able to correct that. So if not, if there are no errors, then it is going to be converted into .class file. So what this .class file does is whenever I am executing, I may be executing my program in many software, that is operating system like Mac, Microsoft, Unix and all. So there, what this Java virtual machine does is it will take your .class file, and it will change to machine code, whatever code that operating system uses, and it makes the operating system understand. So that is what the main use of Java virtual machine. So Java virtual machine act as an interface for making your program understand. It will change to machine code, and then the operating systems are able to access your program and run the program. Okay, so this is about introduction to Java, and stay connected with explorer.com, and in the next session I'm going to discuss about examples of this Java. Take care, bye.